Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to customize and tap on it. Then pick this edit icon and tap on add picture, or the circle basically. Here, as you can see, you can pick the album from which you can choose the photo, so just find it and then tap on it. And as you can see, from this section we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it like you want to, and if you're ready, tap on choose. As you can see, this is how our photo will look like. So if you're happy, tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact looks like after saving. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.